Hello students, welcome back. Class 11. Today I am discussing our list topic. Okay students. So today I am discussing DAV sample paper question answers regarding list, because our list chapter is running. So here I am giving some example. Okay, so this type of question will ask in our examination. So here I am giving some example. Okay students, so here I am giving one by one explanation. So predict the output of the following Python code snipped. So here you can see this is our questions. Okay, so in exam okay, so we will write the output of this code. Okay, this is our question and this is our answer 0, 33. So here this is a set of values. Okay, 0, 11, 12, 13, 14 sorry, 44, 55, 66, 77, okay, 88 and 99. Okay, so here we will write the output of this code. Okay, so you can see here colon. So colon represent this is a slice operation. Okay, because here two time columns. Okay, and last three. So the first column, before first column it represent start index. Second column represent the stop index, or here third you can see 3, so it will give the step. Okay, because in slice operation three things: start, stop and step. So here start, stop, there is nothing, means we will access complete list. Okay, because there is no, so here no start, no stop, so we can think this is complete top to bottom item will include. Okay, but here 3-step gap, here 3-step gap. So here you can see, here I am already explained, you can see the highlighted thing we will find. Okay, so here a colon 3, so you can see here highlighted thing, this is our answer. Okay, because start from 0, so first element index will give 0, so 0 plus 3, 3, so 3 index will give 33, 3 plus 3, 6 index, so 6 index will give 66, and 6 plus 3 will give 9 index, and 9 index value is 99. Okay, so you keep in mind this type of question. Okay, and here we will this is our rough work to find our actual output 0, 33, 66 and 99. Okay student, the next question: differentiate between append and extend method of list. So we know very well append method only add a new value, in a existing list on a single value, only a single value. But extend method we can add more than one value at the last of a existing list. Okay, in extend we can add more than one value at the end of the existing list. Okay, so this is the main difference. So we can explain in very impressive way. So here I am writing append add a single item as an argument at the end of the list, the single element, and we will give a example: x is equal to 10, 20, 30, x dot append. So 40 will include at the last. Okay, after creating the list we can also add a new element. So you can see this is our output. So here I have included only one value, because append method only include a single value. Suppose but I want to include more than one value. So more than one value we can think this again a small list. So again a small list will include existing old one new list. So here I am giving one example. So extend appends more than one value, each element of the list passes argument to the end of the list. So here you can see list 1 10, 20, 30, list 2. Okay, because these are more than one item, so this is another list 40 and 50. Okay, so here I want to 40 and 40 will include after 30 of list 1. So here I am writing this code: list1 dot extend in bracket list2. So after all element list 1 10, 20, 30, so 40 and 50 will also will include at the last of list 1. Okay, only copy value will include. Okay, list 2 already saved. Okay, so you can see, so extend will include multiple items at the end of list. So here second list must be in square bracket, because multiple value we must use square bracket. Okay, so this is our another question. Okay, now another question, this type of question will ask in sample paper of DAV. So write code in Python to accept 7 values from the user in a list, sort the list and display the mid value of the sorted list. Okay, so here first we have a list. Okay, m1 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then output should be 4, because this is our ascending order data, means smallest to largest data. First we find the middle index and then we will get the middle index value. Okay, again I am saying this is our ascending order data from smallest to larger. Then we will get minimum index value and maximum index value. Okay, so here 0 and 6. 0 is our small index and 6 our maximum. 0 plus 6, then divide 2, so it will give 3. It will give 3. So 0 1 2 3. So on the index 3 I have 4. So 4 is our output. 4 is our answer, because middle value of the sorted list. So you can see the m1 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. First, because this is already in ascending order, but for our target, so here I am again use m1 dot sort, so there is no problem. Then I want to calculate the middle index. Okay, so here I am first mid value, here I am using the total number of element. So here total element, you can see total element here 7, then we can divide by 2, so it will give 3.5. okay, it will give 3.5. okay, so but this is our division operator, so it will give only 3. 0.5 will discard, 0.5 will discard. So mid value have 3 index position. So on 3 index the value is 4. Okay, so you can see m1, this is our output, middle value 3 index, or on 3 index the value is 4. Okay, so this type of question you can understand. First we get the middle index position and then we will get the middle index position value. So 4 is our answer. Okay, so most important thing, how to find middle index. So here first we count the total number of element, then half of the list, so we must use divide by 2. Okay, so this type of calculation we require. Okay students, now here I am giving some more example. Okay, this question also in list example. The record of an employee name, employee ID, sales in 6 months and the average of sale is stored in a following list. Okay, you can see EMP RIC. EMP RIC means EMP record. So this is our list variable, and this is opening square bracket, this is closing square bracket. So first is name is Ramesh. Second thing is employee ID. So here E35 is our employee ID. Here is 6 month sales. So here again I am using square bracket inside. So we can say this is a concept of nesting list. This is a concept of nesting list, because here again you can see square bracket. So 560, 990, 990, 720, 690, and last value is this is our average sale 753.53. So this is our data. So here one thing is we want to access each element. So in 0 position Ramesh, in 1 position E35, in 2 position this is complete another sublist. On 3 position 353.3. okay, so the write Python statement to retrieve the following information from the, so we will access each value. Okay, so first question is average of sales of the employee. So we know very well what is the average, 753.3, because here I am already mentioned, and the average of sales. So last element represent the average of cells value 753.3. okay, so I want to display this value. Okay, so here you can imagine 0 for Ramesh, 1 for E35, 2 for complete represent this sublist, and 3 for 753.3. so here I am writing EMP rec, because list variable we always use in square bracket. Here I am passing the index 3, so it will give this value 753.3. okay, because this is our average cell value. Okay students, okay. So this is our question is complete. Now second is cells in 5th month. So 5th month cells means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 690 I want to access. Okay, so here in 0 position 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we can use because here 0, 1, here 2 position, but in 2 position the first value is 0, in 2 position 1 is 980, in 2 position 990, in 2 position 3 position 760. okay, so in this manner we will because cells of 5th month, so 690 I want. So here in second, but in second also another sublist, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 690 will give. So here first we use our main index to entire, and then in this we want to access this 690. So here I am using again 4, in second 4. Okay students, now I want to display maximum cells of employee. Okay, so in this 560, 980, 990, 720, 660. So what is the maximum? So we know very well the maximum is 990. So in the sub list I want to find maximum. So here first we use max, EMP rec, and here I am only use the second, because the second index will represent this complete sublist. Only here I am using, so it in this sublist the maximum value is 990 will display. So this will answer we will give in our examination. Okay, so this is a nesting list concept example. Okay students, now next coding is, suppose list 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here some questions. First question is, remove the last 3 elements from the list. So 8, 9, 10 you want to delete. So simple, we can use del or pop method. Okay, but the last 3 elements, so here I am using list 1. Okay, here we know very well we can also use backward index, because you can see here -1, -2, -3. So in -3 and colon, so after -3 remaining all. Okay, -1 10 value, -2 9, -3 8. So here I am using starting index -3. Backward index always in left to right direction. So left to right direction. So here -1, -2, -3. So -3 and colon and remaining all. So means this part will select 8, 9, 10 left to right. Okay, -3, -2, -1. Okay, because here I am not mentioning the stop index. Okay, so this will select 8, 9, 10 and delete all the values. Okay students, you can also use the forward index instead of forward index. Forward index means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can also use del list 1 in square bracket 7 colon. So the same thing will occur and delete the last. So we can also use forward index. So here we will use in square bracket 7 colon. Okay, either we can use -1, -2, -3. So we have both options. We can use 7 colon or we can use -3 colon. So same thing we will. So we will first we select 3 last element, then we can perform del operation, delete operation. Okay students. Now add element 33 at index value 10. Okay, so here you can add a new element 23. Okay, so here I am giving a particular position 10. So here I am using insert method. First we mention the position where you want to insert 10, after 10 position, and which value 23. So 23 will add after 10. Okay. Now display element from 4 to 9. Okay, so here we can use 3:9. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here this part 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this part will select. Okay, because according to this we must use slice operation, because here this is a range, or we want to access more than one value, so we can use slice operation. Okay, so mostly we can use our index. Okay, because first here position we can use, and then position on data on position we will get, and it will operate. Okay, this type of question you keep in mind. Okay students, now here this type of question will ask in our list, find the output of following Python code. Okay, so here you can see str welcome to the garden. Okay, so in str in square bracket you can see some type of arithmetic expression. So first we solve this arithmetic expression, then we will get a single value. So this single value will become our index position, and this index position we will get our data. So simple, we solve this equation. Simple, we know very well in left to right direction 24. Okay, 24 divide 2, because 2 times, so it will give only integer part, so it will give 12. Because in square bracket 12 means we can think this is our index position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in 12 index position the value is h. Okay, so you can see in h value you can see. So this is very tricky program. Okay, first we solve this equation, then this operator will give only integer part, float part will discard, decimal part will discard, we will have 12, because in square bracket 12 means we can think this is your index position. So what is the value on this index? So h we will count 0, 1, 2, 3, and h will, and we will reach and will display h. Okay students, so you can, today I am discussing which type of program will ask according to our list in our DAV in future in examination. Okay, so this program you will revise again and again. Okay, because it requires a practice, but this example is selected in most important example, so it will save your lot of time. Okay, okay students, thank you so much.